Now available McCarthy cars, Volvo V70 in metallic silver. Has got headlight washers, fog lights, 17-inch Volvo alloy wheels. It's got a luggage cover and twin seats. Let's have a look inside the car. It's got electric windows on the back, full black leather interior, 5 headrests. It's got electric windows on the front, and electric and folding mirrors, electric driver's seat. It's got a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. 77,000 miles on the clock. It's got a sat nav, radio and CD player, heated front seats, air conditioning, climate control, automatic transmission, and for your safety airbags on the front. And also on the back. It's got electric sunroof. To book a test drive and get more information about this car, please give us a call.